Okay, boys and girls, we're going to be working on a vocab strategy that you are familiar with already, and it is synonyms and antonyms. Now, a synonym is a word that means the same or almost the same as another word. One synonym can replace another word in a synonym without changing the meaning or without changing it very much. Now, we've been doing synonyms in our SSG this week, haven't we? We had it this morning, as a matter of fact. Now, an antonym is a word that is opposite in meaning to another word. Antonyms show how two things are different from each other. Now, identifying and understanding synonyms and antonyms can help you expand your vocabulary and better understand what you read. So, synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms mean the same or almost the same thing. They're very close in meaning. And antonyms are words that mean totally opposite from each other. Very common synonyms would be words like cold and cool. Antonyms would be cold and hot. Stop and go. Those would be antonyms. So here are some examples that are on our strategy board. Synonyms: far, distant. Antonyms: far and near. So let's look at these. We have cool and warm. Are those synonyms or antonyms? Cool and warm. Are those synonyms or antonyms? Yes.
Antonyms.
Antonyms, because they mean the opposite from each other. How about tasty and delicious? Are those synonyms or antonyms? Tasty and delicious. They're synonyms because they mean the same thing, tasty and delicious. We could use either of those words interchangeably. So what we're going to do, this is something that you're familiar with, synonyms and antonyms. I think we just have to remember which is which. And you know how I remember? I think to myself, synonyms starts with an S, and so does the word same. Same and synonym. So when I'm thinking about it, what is a synonym? Oh, it's the same. Words that mean the same thing. Synonym and same. And so what we want to do, what we're going to work on is we're going to practice with synonyms and antonyms. So I have a paper for you where we're going to be trying to find words that mean the same as the word list here, and then antonyms, which mean the opposite. Same synonyms and opposite. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a little practice. I think we'll already be good at this. Who's got questions about synonyms and antonyms? Johnson.
Well, last year, we called synonyms synonym roles.
Oh, is that what you did, synonym roles? Yes.
Synonym roles.
I had a project last year where we did synonym roles, which obviously I won't do it again this year because we did it last year, where we had synonyms on cinnamon rolls, right? Who remembers doing that last year? That was in my class. It would just be Libby and Mikey remember probably doing that because Mikey's shaking his head. He remembers doing the synonym roll project. That was so much fun. So that's what we're going to work on.